Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. Some tasks you want to watch closely, and others you're happy to let run. Antigravity handles that with execution modes, a quick way to dial how much autonomy the agent has for the job in front of you. In this lesson, we meet the 3 modes and the shortcut that cycles between them. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are in a session. Let's walk through the 3 execution modes and see how each one changes what the agent does on its own. There are 3 modes in total, and you can set one at launch with the mode flag. Let's meet them one at a time, because each represents a different level of trust you're handing to the agent. First up is default mode. Here the agent proposes actions and you review each one before it happens. It's the balanced choice, keeping you in the loop on everything while the agent still does the heavy lifting. Next is accept edits mode. In this one, file edits apply automatically as the agent makes them, while other actions like running a command still stop to ask you. It's a nice middle gear for trusted edit-heavy work. Then there's plan mode, and this one is read only. The agent researches and lays out an approach, but it changes nothing at all. It's how you let the agent think a problem through before a single line gets touched. Now, you don't have to relaunch to switch. Pressing Shift and Tab cycles live through the 3 modes, so you can tighten or loosen the reins in the middle of a session as the work shifts. And there it is, right in the status line. Whichever mode you're in shows at the bottom, so you always know how much autonomy the agent currently has before you send your next instruction. Here's what to keep from this lesson. There are 3 execution modes. Set at launch with the mode flag or cycled live with Shift and Tab. Default has you review each action. Accept edits applies file edits automatically while other actions still ask. Plan mode is read only. The agent plans but changes nothing, and the current mode always shows in the status line. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 7, where the plan command makes the agent think before it acts.